Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the rear hatch. Alright, I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and just pry in here and right here. Just to release the cover, pull the cover off. To grab the bulb, I just grab it with my fingers, and there's the bulb. This bulb is a SV8 bulb. I'm going to slide it right back in there like that. We can test it before we put the cover on. Get the cover on. You want to slide these two tabs in on this side, and then you push it right up there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.